can ring my bell. Hey, stop sign, dude. Stop a sign. Thank you. How about that stop sign? No, it's not a stop sign, but you should know enough to stop. It's a stop line. It's a right turn. Right turn only. I don't trust these people. Not for a second. Yeah, called it. Very nice of you. Totally unnecessary to cut off that Volvo. What are you doing? What are you doing? Exit dive. Slow-mo exit dive. Overload. You're supposed to stop, dude, you know? What's the stop? Shut up. Based out of the phone, lady. Pass fail. Yeah. Hey. Thank you, Dingleface. Tiny bit close. Hi, anybody awake here? What's your fucking problem, dude? You're the one who didn't. Yeah. Okay. All right. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hello. Yeah. 8FP 231. Yeah. Oh boy. Stop. Damn you. Damn you to heck, Toyota. I'm sure hell is full of Toyotas. Could this lady behind me get me freaking shorter? Oh, wait a second. That's an exit dive. That's a definite exit dive. Thank you. love when people throw their friggin' bottles out the window. It's great. You're going to cut off, yes, you're cutting off the Corolla. You're not actually going to park in two spaces, are you? You're actually going to park in two spaces. Should have thought of that before you pulled out.
46 degrees in Boston at 6 o'clock. Anything at that Roger and happening.
Exit dive. Hello. You not see that car there? I hope you're getting off here. No, you're just a nitwit.
This one's called Bonehead something.
Because Toyota. Nope, 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 you're not cutting me off. Cut the Fiesta off. Yep. Oh, another shit stain coming up here. Oh, God damn it! That was an exit dive. Something like that. Shut off your high beams, shut off your high beams, shut off your high beams. You're on the wrong lane. You're on the wrong lane. Cut off the Explorer in it. But do you know where the hell you're going? You're on the wrong lane. You're on the wrong lane. Cut off the Explorer in it. But do you know where the hell you're going? Why are your high beams on, officer? Totally unnecessary, officer. Why are you exit diving, officer? If you have an emergency, officer, turn on your friggin' emergency lights. And maybe a siren. You really know how to work those blinkers, don't you? Uh-oh, Range Rover. Yeah. Next to Dive Suburban. Know what happens here, right? Right? That was not a stop. Are you awake? It was not a stop. And of course, super douche. Never stop. So, Fitwit, nitwit. You ain't turning, is ya? No, Civic went straight from the turn lane. Asshole. It's yellow, it's red, it's green. Yep. Thank you. Because Toyota!